Hi everyone, hope you are well. Today in this video, we will show you how to cook pad thai. This is the first cooking video that has been uploaded on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and make comments to improve the video. To cook pad thai, you need to have these ingredients ready: rice, noodles, bean sprout, garlic chives, coriander, lemon wedge, then tamarind paste to make the sauce, crushed peanuts and roasted peanuts, eggs, then shallots, garlic, mushrooms and chilies, then shrimps or chicken. You also need to add fish sauce and palm sugar. I will advise you to buy the quality fish sauce and palm sugar. Here we use the brand you can see. Pad thai taste should be mixed of sweet, sour and salty. Palm sugar, tamarind and fish sauce will help to make the pad thai sweet, sour and salty taste. Now we will show you how to make the pad thai sauce. There are two steps to cook the pad thai. One is making this sauce first, then we will cook pad thai. This is as I have said, this is the first step of cooking the pad thai. You need to make the sauce. At first, to make the sauce, melt and caramelize the palm sugar in a pan. And stir it and wait until it gets melted. As mentioned, this is the first step to cook a pad thai. To make the pad thai sauce, you need mainly three ingredients, that is palm sugar, tamarind paste and fish sauce. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to make this pad thai sauce. This sauce will make the pad thai sweet, sour and salty taste. After some time, we will add the tamarind paste with this palm sugar, and also you need to add fish sauce. All three ingredients will mix up and start cooking. Now we are adding the tamarind paste and thereafter fish sauce. At this stage, you need to ensure that the sauce doesn't get burned or too cooked. That's why you need to slightly reduce down your heat. You can slightly turn down the heat, and this sauce will not take too long to make. Just to mention that this video shows the full cooking time. Not a single scene has been cut or edited apart from the voice, obviously. There are two steps to make the pad thai. This is the first step. You need to make this sauce first and leave it aside to use it later on with this pad thai. Once we'll finish this making this sauce, we'll start cooking the shrimp, and thereafter all pad thai and the ingredients we already made ready. Our sauce making is almost done. Now we are going to leave this pan aside and observe all this three mixture together. Let it absorb together. Now we are going to use an wok to cook the pad thai. This wok is quite important to cook any Thai or Chinese food. This wok you can get from online shop like Amazon, eBay, or even from any supermarket. Any Thai or Chinese noodles you need to cook on high heat in an wok. We need to wait until this wok gets heated. Once the wok gets heated, we need to add some oil in it to cook the shrimp first. You can use any kind of oil like corn oil, sunflower oil, or even vegetable oil, though I prefer to use corn or sunflower oil. We are still waiting to get the oak heated. This is the first time we are trying to cook the pad thai. We have never tried cooking pad thai before at home. Now we are going to add some oil to cook a shrimp first. You're adding some oil, and then we will add the shrimp that we have marinated with black pepper. You can marinate this shrimp with white pepper or soy sauce. And if you use the chicken instead of shrimp, you can also marinate the chicken in the same way. It doesn't take too long to cook the shrimps, but to cook the chicken it might take a little longer. For garnishing, it is better to cook shrimp first before you start cooking pad thai. Just do some tossing. The quantity of shrimp is up to you. If you serve too many people, you need to add more shrimps. As this pad thai we are cooking for ourselves, just two of us, we are adding some few shrimps. And you can add more vegetables instead of mushrooms. You can add more shrimps or more chicken if you like. It depends on how many people you are going to serve this pad thai. Our shrimp cooking is done. We are going to put them in a little bowl. Now, once you finish cooking a shrimp, add some more oil. We have added it, and start frying garlic and shallots. We are adding some garlic and shallots. You need to fry them on a high heat, as mentioned before. After some time, we will add mushroom and chilies with it. Keep frying them nicely. Instead of chilies, you can add chili flakes. That will also make the pad thai spicy. Now we are adding the mushroom and chilies. As mentioned, instead of mushroom, you can add other vegetables. We love mushroom too much. That's why we always use mushrooms with any Thai or Chinese food at home. And also chilies will make the pad thai spicy. Instead of this green chilies, you can use chilies flakes. Both will do the same work. And fry all these ingredients for 3 to 4 minutes, and ensure all the mushrooms gets cooked properly. It is needed as we added some oil, and also you need to add some salt in it. Later we'll add it. As you have seen, we added some oil to fry it nicely and keep fry them nicely. Now we are adding some salt in it. After some time, you need to add some crushed peanuts. Keep frying them and wait until the mushroom gets cooked nicely. Hope the pad thai will cook nicely at our first attempt. It looks nice so far. The taste should be sweet, sour and salty. This pad thai taste. That's the original pad thai taste should be. Now add some crushed peanuts. You don't need to add all of them now. Leave some of them for later use, for garnishing basically. Just keep frying them. After that, we'll add the rice noodles. The rice noodles we soaked with the warm water. We didn't boil it. Now we are adding the rice noodles. As mentioned, we have soaked these rice noodles with the boiled warm water for 30 to 40 minutes. You don't need to boil this rice noodles, otherwise it will get melted. That's why you need to soak it with the warm water for 30 to 40 minutes. As these have soaked with the warm water and will be cooked on a high heat, it will taste very good later. You need to keep tossing the noodles. After some time, we'll add the sauce we made for the pad thai. Keep tossing them and mix up all the ingredients we added earlier. Now we are going to add the pad thai sauce that we made earlier with tamarind paste, palm sugar and fish sauce. You don't need to add all of it. Just add as much as it is needed and leave the remaining sauce aside in case if you need more later. If you add too much sauce, the pad thai may taste too sour. You can also leave this sauce in the freezer for later use if you want to make this pad thai again. Just keep tossing them and let the sauce absorb with these noodles and other ingredients. Now you need to push the noodles aside to make the space for egg yolks and add some oil so that the yolks doesn't get stick. Now add those eggs and yolks in the space you have just made and top them up with noodles. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds and start tossing the noodles gently. Keep tossing them. As mentioned, you have to push those noodles aside, then add some oil in it so that eggs doesn't get stick with the yolk, and then add the eggs yolks. Now you can add some salt with the noodles and ensure you cook them always on high heat and don't let the noodles get stick with the yolk. Keep tossing them gently. Keep tossing, and after some time you need to add the cooked shrimp we have done before. Now we are adding the shrimp and keep tossing the noodles gently. Mix up all these shrimps and other ingredients with these noodles and let the pad thai sauce absorb with it. The good thing of pad thai is you don't need to use MSG. As we are using tamarind paste, this will taste similar to MSG, and tamarind is the main ingredient of the pad thai. In fact, the pad thai sauce is the main ingredient of the pad thai because it will make it taste sour, sweet and salty. Keep tossing the noodles. Now add bean sprout and garlic chives and keep tossing them all together with the noodles. You need to use lots of bean sprouts so that it makes the pad thai lighter. Keep tossing gently and ensure the noodles doesn't get stick with the wok. Yes, keep tossing them. Mix up all the ingredients together. We are almost done our cooking. After some time, we will add the coriander and add the remaining crushed peanuts. This pad thai cooking doesn't take too long to cook. The total preparation and the cooking process takes 35 to 50 minutes. And the actual cooking time is less than that. Now you can add some corianders and add the remaining crushed peanuts. After adding coriander and crushed peanuts, keep tossing noodles so that all these ingredients get mixed up nicely. As mentioned, this cooking process doesn't take too long. Actual cooking time is less than 20 minutes, and the total cooking process time is 35 to 50 minutes, depending on how you cook it. You can add some more oil for garnishing at the stage. We have done it. Our pad thai cook is done. We can turn our stove key off and can serve this pad thai with lemon, wedge, and roasted peanuts. We have already made them ready. Viewers, as you can see, within very short period of time, we cook this pad thai, yummy pad thai. The whole process doesn't take too long. As I mentioned, it takes 35 to 50 minutes, and that your time is much less than that. Please don't forget to subscribe the video if you like it, and make some comments, and don't forget to click on the like button. If you have any question, please put it in the comment box. We'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. We are sorry, we haven't finished yet. We are still serving this delicious pad thai with the crushed peanuts and the lemon wedge. Yes, thanks for watching. Bye for now.